I will begin with a brief introduction of myself, followed by the code base and my thought process of this project, and followed by the practical demonstration. So, my name is Manish Kumar Sinha, and I'm currently in the fourth year of my BTech Computer Science. Throughout my college life, I have explored various fields, but web development was the one I found my interest in, so I went deep in it. Till now, I have gained skills of Marin Stack, Next.js, DevOps, and currently I'm learning Spring Boot, and I am hoping to learn ASP.NET as well by the end of my college life. And besides all of these skills, I have maintained my academic score of around 8.5 CGPA. So let's talk about the code base and my thought process. This is my code base. And so before starting with actually writing code, I first thought of how should I proceed with it. I first of all uh, took the help of AI to get me some reference for the UI part. Now this was one of the images that the AI gave to me, and taking this as my reference, I then started planning my backend. So the first part I thought of in the backend was the models, my schema. So this was my user schema, and this was my tasks model. And for the user model, I took it to the advanced level and implemented some pre-checks that the password was correct, and I used duplicate for it to hash the password to make it more secure. And I have also implemented this password correct and generate access token methods within the user schema to make it more centralized and modular. Now, to help with my authentication, I implemented a middleware, auth middleware, which takes in the request and checks if the access token is is available and valid. And if it's not, then it will not pass in the request further on. And the errors occurred throughout the backend is managed by this error middleware, which in case there are some instances where an error is not accounted for, this will catch it and then give me a proper structured error so that my backend will properly give the response to the front end, and the process is smoothly taken care of. One more middleware you can see here is the Mentor middleware, which I used for my file upload. I have implemented it, Cloudinary, to store my user profile photos or avatars, and uploading directly to Cloudinary was not a good practice. So I take a monitor in between, so that uh, in case there are some failures on the side of Cloudinary, monitor can again retry it. Now, these are my roots and controllers. Let's start with the roots. All of these roots are properly implemented and in working condition, except this one. I was not able to implement and the working of it on the front end part. Although it's really simple, I can implement it in 1 minute, but for some reason it completely uh, I, I completely forgot about it. And going on to the task route, and all of these routes are as per the requirements, and all of these are properly implemented and in the working condition. These are my controllers. All of these are properly structured and modular. Now all of this was the backend part. Now let's jump on to the front end part. Front end also, I have 4 to 5 pages at max. These are my pages. All of these pages I have taken care of with the React router that is implemented right here. So this is my routing. I have used browser router, and then I have also implemented public route and protected route in case someone tries to actually go to the login route after logging in, then it will be redirected to the dashboard or the home page. And so moving on, all of my API calls are properly structured in the auth and task service.js file. and all of my context are here and hooks are here, and my components I have properly folder I have maintained a proper folder structure for it. And so these are the uh, files I have built this within 48 hours, although I saw the email lately, but yeah, that's all I was able to do. So I have implemented various environment check projects beforehand, so I had a good grasp on how I should be implementing all of these things. Now we're jumping onto the front end part. Let's start with the create task. Okay, uh, demo purpose there, and this is my date picker. I can assign the priority level. Let's say I will assign it to high, and these are my current users here, but I will assign it to myself only so that I can see it in my dashboard, create task. And as you can see, here are the tasks shown. Okay, now if I want to mark complete, I can mark complete here. I can also mark incomplete, as you can see. And following on to the task assigned by you, these are the tasks that I have assigned to other people's. And so I can edit this as well. Sorry, I clicked on edit, and this is the edit thing. Let's say demo v2.0, and I can change everything here. Okay, and I will, let's say here, and save. As you can see, it's properly updated, and the my main page for the task here, as was mentioned in the requirements, that I have to implement a page for one particular task, and these are all the details. And if I want to log out, I can simply click here, log out, and as you can see, I will not be able to hit any path. I will be redirected to the login page, and I will log in here, Sinha 56, and let's say I enter a wrong password. Okay, 1 2 3, and I can simply sign up here. I can create my account, uh, but I already have an account, so I will just simply log in. As you can see, everything is properly working, and I was about to deploy it on the AWS, but then I noticed I have an unpaid bill, so I was not able to do that. And thank you for watching till the end.